Hi ladies and gentlemen, Christoph the Polish Geek, and welcome to another video in the Nature Adventure series, because I'm in Mazury actually, which is a region here in Poland that's very known for its various beautiful, amazing lakes. Sadly, the weather is kinda cloudy today and it's kinda chilly, so unfortunately to swim in the lake, which I'm right next to in my hotel, unfortunately isn't practical today. What a shame, but that still doesn't mean that I can't walk around it and show you a little bit of this lake. And more specifically, it's a Vulpin lake. In Polish, it's called Jezioro Wulpińskie, but in English, the best way to translate it is Vulpin Lake. And here, have a look at the lake. And there is a path that we're about to soon take and take some walk around that lake. And there is a boat there too. Well, let's walk down this path. This way we will walk around the lake and see a lot more of it, as well as some green, beautiful nature in the woods. Let's go there. And here you have various type of birds that you can encounter around the lake. This is all in Polish, so I could translate to you, but it would take a long time. But yes, those are type of various birds that live around the lake. Like for example, this is an eagle, for example. For now, it sure looks like the path is straying us away from the lake. You can still see it right there, but yeah, for now it seems like the path was kind of straying us from the lake, but we'll see where this is going. Well, for now, there's still not much lake. I mean, it is right there, but we barely see any of it right now. For now, it's more like a hike around beautiful green scenery, but I'm sure there will be more lake further down there. And you can see a little bit behind the woods. There we go, where we are. Now we can see a lot of the lake and different side of the lake. Oh wow, yeah, now there we go. This is amazing. Oh, and here we have some fish that live under the lake. Let's see. Yep, those are very common fish in Poland, and they're very tasty too. You can actually eat some of them, like an eel, for example. And here is a small swamp along with more of the lake from there. And this is some sort of lake lagoon. And wow, now it's kind of getting darker there. Let's go inside. And now you can see lots and lots of the lake. Wow. Let's keep going. And there is a hotel there, not mine, a different one. But, yep, there it is. And a small river too, leading to the lake. We are getting out of the woods now. Let's get to that bridge now. We'll be able to see the lake from the bridge now. And benches that you can sit around and relax. A bird flying there, but you probably didn't see it. And now take a look at the lake from that angle. You can see a town from on the other side. And people fishing there. Yep, Mazury and all its lakes is a perfect region to go fishing. By the way, I really love fishing, although I haven't done it in a long time. But we can't go. It says that the pier is only for hotel guests, and I'm not a hotel guest, at least not that one, so I can't go on it. And it doesn't seem there is any path forward, so it seems like we can't go around the whole lake, so time to go back. Here you can take another look at the lake. Well folks, that concludes another video in the Nature Adventure series, but that was a really cool one. Especially I really love Mazury, but haven't been in a long time, but really happy to do a first Nature Adventure video in the Mazury region. But this region is filled with really beautiful, amazing lakes and nature in general. So, and this one, the Vulpin Lake, it's not even one of the most beautiful ones. There are plenty more beautiful lakes in Mazury, and when opportunity arrives, I'll totally do a nature adventure video in one of those lakes. But really happy to have done my first nature adventure video in Mazury, and hopefully when it gets warmer, and it's seemingly getting warmer, I'll actually be able to swim in the lake. But that concludes another video in the Nature Adventure series, the very first nature adventure in Mazury, and thank you all of you for checking it out. Press the like button, please subscribe this channel, and I'll talk to you soon in a movie review. Talk to you then, bye!